Hello. Big shout out from Tennessee. Southern Tennessee mom here with some more hacks for you. I don't know if you've ever seen these at the Dollar Tree, but they are vacuum storage bags, and it is it's one. There's only one in there, but it's a 17 by 5 inches by 27.5 inches. So it's a large bag. You can see that down there. It's one large bag. And if you go to Walmart, they're a little bit more expensive than $1.25. Now, this is what the bag looks like. It's white thing that comes on the end, and that's so you can zip it up good. And I just put mine on the side here when I'm done. But I'm gonna put this blanket in one. This is a full-size blanket, and I'm gonna put it in this large bag. Now you can put wreath forms in here if they're small enough to fit in the large bag. It's pretty large. You could put smaller papers in here, towels. I've got several blankets where there's 4 of us, so we have, blankets galore. And throws or sheets. The possibilities are endless with this. You can even put, like if you craft, you could put your craft products in this, vacuum seal it and stack it on top of a shelf. Whatever, or cloth. If you sew, you can put your cloth in here, vacuum seal it until you get ready to use it. When you do, just open it up, and it's like when you just first put it in there. They're awesome. Like I said, it has saved me because I had blankets everywhere, and I found this at the Dollar Tree. I didn't even know that they carried them, and I go to Dollar Tree a lot. But I could not believe it when they have one for $1.25. It's still cheaper than Walmart. And so I'm very impressed with this, and it's good quality. I've opened those bags of blankets where we've changed the beds and stuff several times, and they have not ripped or tore. It's excellent. Okay, we've got our full-size blanket in this, and this little tool that comes on it is like a little white slider. This is what it's for. Is just take it and make sure that you don't have nothing. Make sure it's completely closed. And what I do with it, so I have it for the next time, is I just put it right there on the side, and it's there when I need it again. So it has a little cap on this, and you just take your vacuum cleaner. Now I don't have a regular vacuum cleaner because I have wood floors, but I do have this little shop vac or Eureka little vac here. And then you put your cap on. It's much smaller than what it was, and that was a full-size blanket. When you get ready to use it again, just open it up, and look, it comes back to full size. I'm gonna re-zip it, and then I'll re-vacuum it. And like I said, you could do toys in this, shoes even. If you have a bunch of shoes, you can put your shoes in this and maybe slide it under the bed or whatever, so you get ready to use them again. It's pretty darn awesome. Look at that. Look how flat that is. I mean, yeah, it's not flat, but it's a lot flatter and a lot smaller than what it was when it was a full-size blanket. So, that is my first little hack. Like I said, there's multiple uses for this. It's unreal, the stuff that you can put on in those. These are just, what are they called? Book bins. And you can get these at the Dollar Tree. And now you can even peel this off and write on this, or put a sticker on it, put what you got in it, it's fine. But we have a multitude, and I do mean a multitude of these little, the cups that you carry. Now this will fit 2 large ones or 3 small ones. And you slide it on top of a shelf or in your cupboard or in your pantry even, to organize those, because they get out of hand. There again, this is a great organizing. Will be in here from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. You can use it for multiple things. In your bathroom, if you are like me, you have cans and cans of hairspray, mousse, dry shampoo. Look at that. You can put that right under your bathroom sink, or even on top of it, or if you have a shelf, slide it on there. And it's got it organized, and they're out of the way. And they're not going to be falling over like I know they do mine a lot. So I've got several areas that I need to organize. So I've been trying to find different things at the Dollar Tree that have multiple purposes, and you can use them for multiple things. There again, talking about the bathroom, you have hair dryers, curling irons, straighteners. You can put your hair dryer down in that, your curling iron, put that under your bathroom sink. Baby powder, bath oils, whatever, you can organize them with this. For your cupboard, this is excellent organizing bin for your cupboard, believe it or not. You can put your cans of vegetables in here. And so I have all green beans here. And I am going to be able to get 6 cans of green beans. Look at that. And just slide right in your pantry. And once it's there, it's not going to fall over. I'm just moving it. But you can, again, label this with a label or a sticker, or even write on it with a permanent marker. And it is excellent. It holds these cans well. These are 14.25 ounce cans of green beans. It's just a Walmart brand, but it holds them perfect. You can put spaghetti noodles in this, boxes of spaghetti noodles. If you buy the little noodle meals, you can put those in here. Ramen noodles, you can put it in here. Syrups, ketchup bottles, whatever you need a use for. You can use this for multiple things. It is a great organizing item for $1.25. You cannot beat that. Alright, my last hack that I have for you is this. It comes from the car section. I've already removed the tags because I've used it, but it goes on your hand like this. Okay, I just have some. I think I got this at either Dollar Tree or Walmart one. It's just wood cleaner for dusting. Just spray your cloth or spray the wood and wipe it. This is made out of Microsoft, what is it? The microfiber material. So it's gonna do very well for dusting. And when you're done, you can just toss it into the laundry and be done with it. That way you can reuse that again. Another use for this, if you could put your like tinfoil, baggies, whatever you want in this. Parchment paper, you can put it in this too. There's multiple uses. You could even put this in the refrigerator and put like your ketchup bottle, whatever, syrup, ranch bottle that you want to do, and put it in the refrigerator if you want to. There's multiple uses for this bin. And that storage bag, just multiple uses for it. And I just been trying to find things that have multiple uses, but because it helps me, and I'm sure it's going to help you. I hope you liked this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and like and share if you're not a member. please subscribe. It's totally free. I would love to have you join my YouTube family. God bless and have a great day.